Now to a developing story. This San Diego priest right here now facing charges in Minnesota. Father Jacob Bertrand is accused of sexual conduct with a woman while he was religiously advising her. Prosecutors say back in 2010, Father Jacob held a private mass with the woman and say that he had a sexual encounter with her twice during the ceremony. A Minnesota attorney says anytime a member of the clergy is involved in a situation where they're giving spiritual advice, they are prohibited by law to have sexual contact. Now, the Diocese of San Diego says Father Jacob is on a leave of absence. There have been no allegations against Bertrand here in San Diego.
The diocese says out of 3.2 million people in San Diego and Imperial counties, over 1 million are Catholic. Father Jacob served at the St. Rose Lima Parish in Chula Vista from 2010 to 2013 and also at a parish in Spring Valley from 2013 to 2015.